Tetra Tech is designing, planning, and managing the water that is part of our lives. We have worked in the water sector for almost 50 years, serving our municipal, commercial, and federal clients. For over 4 decades, we have provided planning and engineering design support for the Army Corps' Civil Works program, including the design of the largest civil works project in the Corps' history. One of our growth areas, and one that provides a continuum of services for our clients, is emergency preparedness and response. Many of our clients, federal, municipal, and commercial, are concerned about vulnerability of their facilities from the impact of storm events and are using Tetra Tech to perform planning and, in many cases, actual hardening of the physical facilities to withstand extreme events. Our civil engineers work side by side with our biologists and planners to mitigate and restore some of the most sensitive coastal habitats in the United States.
The project is located in Miami, Florida. It is at the Port of Miami. It's the largest project. Corps of Engineers, the Port have combined to take about 5 million cubic yards of material out to deepen the harbor and the entrance channel to create access for post-Panamax ships. But we're dealing with everything from spill response if there happens to be an oil spill or a fuel spill to the environmental monitoring. We're also responsible for the construction of approximately 9.5 acres of artificial reef that's being built as mitigation for the project, and about 17 acres of select fill that'll go into a seagrass restoration area that will be planted as a restoration project inside the bay.
One of the things we're excited about in the coming year is that water reuse and water management is an area that's actually gaining quite a bit of momentum, and it's an area where we're able to help our clients. Tetra Tech is now the #1 firm in desalination in Environmental News Record, and we have a great team of technical experts that are working worldwide to provide integrated and sustainable water management solutions.
We're seeing a huge demand for recycled water with the current drought we're facing here in California. Our project was to take their existing reclamation plant and expand it from 18 million gallons a day to 28 million gallons today, which is a major expansion. One of the really interesting things about this project that you usually don't see on an expansion of existing plant is that the district decided to go to new technologies as part of their expansion. So the building right to my right is actually a membrane bioreactor, which is one of the latest technologies in treating recycled water. Throughout California, there's a large number of recycling plants. Almost all of the cities and communities have gone to water recycling now. You have to remember, this is an almost unlimited supply of water that we have here that's local, that we can cost effectively give back to the community.
We're also working to help municipalities manage their solid waste needs by converting the waste and gas emitted from landfills into renewable energy and fuel. There are new regulations coming out to address coal combustion residuals from the coal-fired power plants. The utilities and operators of those plants will need to clean up those sites and create new methods to store those materials. And Tetra Tech is on the forefront of that type of work. Our employees don't just want to do the work assigned to them, they're looking for ways to make a difference and develop solutions that will leave the smallest footprint while achieving the greatest benefit to our customers.